Let us solve a question. Let us solve a question of quant and from the topic of let us solve one question from the topic that is time distance. Okay. In this question, there are two y's. Okay, A and B, and they start from the same time. To write from, there is a place given x starting and y is the ending position. Okay, and the distance between both x and y is 95 kilometer. Next, A travels 5 kilometer per hour slower than B. Okay, and B reaches by and immediately start to travel back. When B reaches the place of by, then it return back. Next, it is given to us that on his return journey he meets A. Okay, when it return from the position place of Y, it meets the other person, that is A, who is 25 kilometer away from X. Means कि the person still 25 kilometer away from the starting position, that is X. Okay, and we have to calculate the speed of the person A. Okay, we have options given, that is first is 7 kilometer per hour, B is 5 kilometer per hour, C is 8 kilometer per hour, and D is 6 kilometer per hour. Now that is very lengthy question. Okay, it seems very difficult, but this is not difficult if we know the whole concept of the time and distance, what is going through in this question. We have to read the question very carefully, and after reading question from line to line and point to point, we have when we mark the points that what is happening in this question, we have two-person, first is A and B. Okay, they start from the same time. We have given the condition already in the question. So whenever you found a very lengthy question or very typical question, start from the word to word. We have given the condition in already mentioned in the question, but we have to only choose what is given, that is same time. Okay, next we have to given this 95 kilometer is the distance between these position, that is X. If we have a point place X and Y, we have given the 95 kilometer this. Okay, and the person starts A and B at the same time, they start this position, and B reaches by, when B reaches this position, it immediately return back, and when it return back, it meets the A. But now A is how many kilometer away from the B? Still, that is given in the question, that is 25 kilometer. This now we have this question is very easy, and try to solve. And if you have any problem, then comment in the video. I will provide you the short solution. For before that, first try to solve by yourself.